All right, quick introduction to this essay organizer in general, and then I'll go through the introduction paragraph quickly. So, this essay organizer should look similar to all of those we have had so far this year. So everything you write should be in blue, and like always, when you click to type something below, it will already be in blue. I've added this section up here in the directions for video links and a presentation to assist you on body paragraphs, which I will explain in the body paragraphs video. So your introduction paragraph. You always start all essays. This year, our introduction paragraph starts with our context, so you need to do exactly what it says. It says in 2 to 3 sentences, so again, not 1, not 4, 2 or 3 sentences, do one of the following. So you have a choice this essay. Choice number 1, write 2 to 3 sentences providing a brief summary of the story. So basically, just tell me what happens in the story. You could say, in the most dangerous game, and then a little summary. Your second choice is you can define and explain point of view. So if you don't want to give a summary of the story, instead, start your essay by saying point of view is blank. Point of view is important to a story because, and explain. Or explain how different characters have different perspectives in stories and how this is interesting or important for readers. So you have a choice here. You can either provide the summary of the story or define and explain point of view. Either one's totally fine. Just make sure we don't use any of those forbidden words. We should not be using personal language like I, me, we, us. And you should not be using the word you anywhere in this entire essay. After your context, the last part of your introduction, this is only going to be a 3 to 4 sentence paragraph, is your thesis statement. So I have a fill in the blank thesis statement for you, and you need to just fill in the blanks. So it says in, and then name of the story. So type the name of the story in here. Make sure it is capitalized, and short stories go in quotation marks. By, put the author's name here, and then what character did you choose? You are typing that in here. So you should already have this chart done. If you don't have this chart done, stop what you're doing, go back and do the chart. But in this chart, you chose which character that you wanted to focus on. So you chose either Rainsford or Zaroff. So in your thesis then, you will write that character's name in here. Again, make sure it's capitalized. So it'll say, the name of the story by author, the character Rainsford has a specific point of view of, and then you're going to put in the 3 topics of the body paragraphs. So if you scroll down, the topic of body paragraph 1 is your character's view of himself. The topic of body paragraph 2 is your character's view of the setting. And then the topic of body paragraph 3 is your character's view of the other main character. So you will fill that in. So it has a specific point of view of himself, the setting, or you could say the island or the house, the jungle, however you want to word that. And then for your third body paragraph, you could write the other main character, or you could just fill in the other main character's name. So that is your introduction paragraph video. Please email me or send me a Schoology message with any questions or concerns.